chasing me.
They don't know that.
Yeah, but like I feel like he should have known that by like first interaction. But then he
They're
ulted
not as
me
good as
and
me.
chased me.
Can they find a fucking game? Can you find a game, please? No.
You just don't exist.
Okay, Yolk's in a game. They're in games. Let's go.
That's true, Jose. That is very true.
I prayed that girl outrageous thing. Let's see, real rabbit is. Red not as good. I'm lit. You see what Jose wrote? He said, Red not as good as me. Let's be real. Rabbit is. I'm lint compared to her. I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken.
I was gonna say like you did chicken.
Anybody that's in here and watching stream, if anyone in here plays Minecraft for Java, we have Bedrock too, but I started a realm if anyone would like to join. Send me a whisper or a Discord message or a message here in chat and make sure you tell me your Minecraft name and I'm down to invite you in. Actual lint, not the chicken. Oh. To the top right now.
Which hero do you think you want to be today?
We are Cloak and Dagger.